Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the recorder and confirming a charged battery. Do this now so you won't interrupt a session. Once powered, insert a formatted micro SD card and set your preferred file type, WAV for quality, MP3 for space. Next, enable voice activation and pick a sensitivity. Higher picks quieter sounds, lower reduces false triggers. Test the mic from about 1 meter while speaking at normal volume. Make sure the indicator LED, or icon, shows the recorder is armed before proceeding to record. Now you'll run the actual recording session while monitoring settings. Once voice activation is armed, set sensitivity so normal room noise doesn't trigger it. If ambient noise spikes, lower sensitivity. Turn on timestamp and autosplit to keep files organized during long captures, and enable low-cut filter if wind or rumble appears. Make sure to angle the recorder toward the speaker at about 0.5 to 1 meter for clear pickup. Periodically glance at the status LED or screen to confirm active recording and file creation. To finish, stop recording and allow the recorder to finalize and close the file. Abrupt power off can corrupt files. Once saved, play back the last clip to verify clarity and proper spacing. Transfer files with USB or a card reader and back them up to 2 locations. If recordings are missing or noisy, first check battery level and replace or charge, then lower or raise sensitivity as appropriate, and reposition the mic away from vents or reflective surfaces. If problems persist, reformat the card and test again.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.